So note at least three places in the video where cognitive skill building events in the mathematics development portion of the preschool cognition domain occurred. First one, child knows number names in the count sequence. In the second portion of the video, the children were able to count together as the educator pointed to the boys, counting from the first boy starting at 1 and counting up to 4, and finally adding a fifth with one girl to make a total of 5 children. The second child recognizes the number of objects in a small set. The children were able to recognize the number of objects, or in this instance, boys and girls, by sets, with there being 3 boys and 2 girls at the beginning of the video, and combining them together to total 5 children. The third one, child compares numbers. The children were able to compare numbers through the understanding in the amount of boys, 3 in the video, and the amount of girls in the video of 2 to make 5. What do you think the adult did well in this video to support the development of cognitive framework goals? First one was number recognition activities. The educator incorporated an activity that helped children recognize and identify numbers by separating them out in 2s and 3s, 4s and 1s. The second was a group activity. Organized a group activity that involved counting collectively and encouraging social interaction and teamwork. Consider what environmental, social, or activity supports the adult provided. Is there anything I would do differently? Possibly encourage more peer interaction or promote more peer-to-peer interaction during the math activity, fostering some social development alongside the cognitive growth, and maybe incorporating more real-life math connections during the exercise to show children how math is used in everyday life. So connecting abstract concepts to concrete world examples, like making of a basketball team or 2 teams of 5 on 5 in this scenario would probably work, for example.